Still, many companies in packing industries continue with outdated and wasteful processes as it has always been done that way. This will lead to more complications, losses, risk factors, etc. It means information is a tricky thing to get hold of. Fortunately, effectual Roadmap ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, solves these problems in packing industries. Simplified business process. It's the art and science of analyzing, measuring, and optimizing each process in the business, which keeps it running effortlessly. The ready-to-fit ERP software focuses on visualizing workflows and executing processes to achieve automation to improve effectiveness. ERP has evolved, and the intellectual system produces added value with less waste. In practice, this will offer more speed with greater consistency. Flawless workflow. Businesses can enjoy improved customer experience with Roadmap ERP because it provides the ability to handle all the business activities rapidly. Better lucidity with flawless compliance is the key thing. Using low-code applications, a forward-thinking business can trim down recurring everyday jobs. Improving processing time and making companies more agile in response to changing environments quickly. ERP lets the industry and the behavior of the people evolve quicker than the competitors. It guarantees a sustainable and lucrative future for business. The ERP simplifies packaging business processes across multiple locations that support multi-currency environments, reduces material waste. Compatible with various stages. ERP is compatible with various stages of package industries, thus tenders the visibility to assess capacity options and boost supply chain efficiencies. Roadmap ERP helps manufacturers with unit of measure flexibility, scheduling, precise cost data, adherence to regulatory compliances, and control. Overall creates a robust infrastructure to optimize development and maximize profit. Don't invest your time and money on any outdated tools. Get the Roadmap ERP for your packing industry to make the process smoother and hassle-free.